Just imagine you're waking up with a new idea, and before your coffee gets cold, that idea becomes a live working app. No setup, no downloads, and no coding degree required. Looks like a dream, right? But in this AI era, it's not a dream, it's the reality. And that's what we're going to try today. In this series of Idea to App, we will test multiple tools. I'm going to show you one such tool with the help of which we can achieve it. So let's get started. Go to your browser, simply search for Replit. Build apps and sites with AI. Just open it up, log in with your Google account, and that's it. You will see this kind of a screen. Now let's build something here. You can already see that you can start with some example like architecture portfolio, free, fine dining, restaurant, AI powered CRM. These are the things which you can just click and it will start building it up. You have a lot more features in the free apps you can create. Out of, I think, 10 projects you can create. You have the agent uses, which is 0% right now because this account I haven't used for doing anything here. You have the option to upgrade. So let's start testing the design part, which is in beta phase. What about the build part? Build your ideas for integration, and this is for designing. So I'll try the design one. So this will be my prompt, little descriptive prompt, because I'm trying to build a landing page for a fashion e-commerce brand, and you can use like Tailwind CSS and HTML, of course, whatever is required there. Include what all things I need. I have passed it here, like navbar I need with logo, search and cart icon. Hero section is required. Then some product grid is required. Featured categories is required, footer is required, and mobile first. So responsiveness is also required. Images should be lazily loaded. So whatever is required for a better design, I have just passed those prompts. You can keep it simple also because this is just idea to design. So if you just want to pass a simple idea, definitely you can go for it and it's going to build on top of that. I'm going to shorten it up a bit. Let's try it out. So what I will do is build a modern responsive landing page for e-commerce brand. Let me just remove it. Okay, I'll say HTML, CSS, Tailwind, CSS. Okay, fine. That would be fine. But it should include fine hero section and everything. What if I remove each and everything here? Let's see what it does. So I'll just keep it very simple just to show you that with that also you can simply start working. Okay, so just one liner, because this video is for coders and non-coders. Everyone who is watching it can build this up. So very simple prompt, and let's see what the output we get out of it. So it has started building. Let's wait for it to complete. In this series, mainly I'm going to target those tools which are promoting themselves, that just pass your idea and they're going to prepare the app for you, which will be obviously a prototype version. But yes, that's what you're going to get, and you can build on top of it by giving other prompts. So Replit is one of those, and let's try it out. So just look at it. Plan mode, edit mode, everything is going on. Let's see what it gives us at the very end. All right, I think it is still working, but it is giving me a design which I can look into. All right, that's great. Not bad, I would say. Well, these buttons are not clickable, but I can see the home screen showing up properly. Now I just clicked on publish and we got the link here. Now I can directly run it. So let's try it out. Let's try it out here, how it looks like. Okay, so this is what it, okay, we got some response here and what it is saying. All right, it is completed also at the same time, and it took around 10 minutes. Like I said, idea to app within 10 minutes. That is what it is happening here. So now, all right, let's check it out here at least. I don't get the entire options of the images, which is not working properly, but we are mostly focused on the design part. Rest of the things, well, we can manage, isn't it? If I click any one, well, it's not coming up and it's not that visible also, so I'm not liking that particular part. The background images will still work. The logo is not visible properly. Even these buttons are not that visible. Buttons are not clickable at all. What about the scroll? Oh, no, I wanted a scroll icon, not this, but let's go for it. This section is quite good, and apart from that, this section is also good. In design point of view, it's fine. Quick add, no, it's not working because this is just a design part. So that is why it's not working. If you go for build, definitely it's going to give you a better result, I think. But since I wanted to show you the latest beta version that is available as of now, so I think it has done an okay job. It can be used. It's a minimal design thing, and yeah, you see this kind of a design in most of the places, so it's fine. I'm not very much satisfied, but I'm not disappointed also with this particular design. So this is the first prompt which we have tried, right? Next thing which I'm going to try here is, let's go back and try it out. So let's go to home, and this time I'm going to go for build, where you can also select some themes if you want to, but I don't want to select any. Now this time I'm going to try some idea level thing. So let me just pass the prompt. Build a full web app with a button that generates a new t-shirt design theme every day. And I've given the backend also, but I'll just remove it because I want to like keep it simple for you all. So let me just remove everything. Okay. So build a full web app with a button that generates new t-shirt design theme every day. I'll just add one more thing, based on current trends from Twitter. Let's go for X, or I would say Instagram. That's must, and other social media platforms. That's where you see a lot of trends. Okay. So let's go for it and see what happens with this particular part. Okay, we are good to go. Let me hit start chat and see what it makes out of it. So you can see plan, and then it's going to go for the building phase. So it has prepared the plan. We can just check the plan here. I will include the following features. One click button to generate new t-shirt design theme, AI powered theme generation using OpenAI based on more trending topics. Display of generated theme with design concept, color palette, and suggestions and target audience. Okay. Visual presentation of daily theme and with appealing card based layouts. All right. Mock social media trends data. Okay. It's going to mock that up. Clean modern UI with fashion forward design aesthetic. Okay, that's what it's going to give us, because the latest trend and everything we have to connect on our own how to get it. So let's go for it. Let me say that, okay, fine. Build the entire app. Let's go for that, or you can start building. That's gonna be like 5 to 10 minutes only. So building the entire app will take a lot of time. I think we should start with a design. No, because I have already shown you one design. It's time to actually check the entire application. Let's go for it and wait 20 minutes to actually execute it up. Okay, the project is ready now, and it is saying that I have completed the full free plan, so that's okay. Well, let's check it out here, what exactly it looks like. So this is our website. If I just scroll down, nothing much to show, but I just want to see the functionality. So generate today's theme, and okay, it has generated me the color palette. Why? I wanted to generate the t-shirt. So the trends are showing up, live trends. Okay. If I select a color palette, what will happen then? I think I'm by mistake passed theme here. It was t-shirt design. But anyways, it's just generating the color palette based on the current trends that it is showing here, where we have dopamine dressing, dark academia, whatever it is. It might be the mock data that we have here. So in a similar fashion, I think if I just remove it up, possibly we will get a lot more other results. So you can just try it in this particular manner, because Replit has certain things which it cannot do it properly. But first of all, we need to understand what kind of projects Replit can build. It can build small utility applications where you have to like go for code generator, mood based gradient creators, something like text to emoji converters. These are just basic applications which anybody can build up, and that's what Replit can also do. It can also help you in building front-end applications, a stylish front-end application, which we have already seen that the design are good, not that bad. Then it can also generate full stack application. You can get the source code and everything there. So that can also be done. You can go for CRUD operations and API connectivity, and all other stuff can also be done. Along with that, AI powered applications can also be built, which we have just seen, because the generation of the color palette will be based on the current trends, and that will be generated with the help of AI. So that is what it is being done here. Now we need to understand what it cannot do. Replit struggles with workflows. Mostly if we have complex queries to work on, definitely we have to break it down into layers. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for Replit to understand. It has done a lot of things. Improvements are there, but still there will be human interaction for sure, because each and everything cannot be generated by it until and unless we train it so much that it can generate most of the applications on its own. So these are the struggles which where Replit fails to some extent. So by looking at all of it, there is a simple bottom line that AI is powerful, but it's not magic. It still needs direction, creativity, and proper clarity of things what exactly needs to be built. It's your coding assistant, not your CEO. Remember that thing. Now, along with that, I have also built some more applications which I'm going to show you now with Replit. So this is one resort site which I built with Replit, which you can just check it here. It's fine. It will work for a resort. It's good. I won't say it's great, but it's good. It can be used to some extent. You can watch it in mobile view also by going to inspect, not in this manner. How about if I just move it and shrink it? Now you see it is still responsive, which is great. So responsiveness is there. You can even go for publishing and just check it in full screen completely, which I have already shown. Similarly, I have built an AI powered dashboard where you have the weather application integrated, but the API key, I'm not given the key here, so that is why it's not going to work. But this is how you can like have some tasks to be written, add some task, and you can complete it, you can delete it, whatever you want, you can just work on it. So a lot of things can be done. You just have to play around with the things that you need to do, and it's going to generate you the stuff which you're looking for. Mostly to, I would say, 30 to 40% of your design work can be done very easily with the help of this. If you give a proper clarity prompt, that is must. So these are the designs which we build. This is our website. If I just inspect just to check whether it's working in mobile view or not, you can simply check it's mobile compatible to some extent, I would say, because the buttons are not showing up properly. But I think it's good. It's fine to work with. So I can say like 6 out of 10 I can give it for the designing part and everything. So we have seen a tool with the help of which we are converting our idea to application. Yes, it's not complete, but we have built websites which is almost complete in the design perspective. Okay, so which you can simply use it here. So that's what happens. In fact, here you can see rooms, bookings, right? All of the stuff is available here, contact. So a lot of things it can do. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how you like this particular video, and for more such interesting videos, do subscribe to the channel so you get all the notification at times, and fill up the comment section with your queries. That is it for the day. I'm going to see you next time.